This is Emily Bowen-Moore, and this is the video for packaging your file in InDesign. I'm going to use the document that we produced in your tutorial practice, the first one. So we're going to get it ready here to package and submit into Box for your assignment. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to scan all the way down to the bottom to package here. And what packaging does is it puts all of the elements that you used in your document in one folder, and it does all this for you. You don't have to do it manually, and it allows me, when I open up your packaged folder, to see all your components. If I don't have the particular typeface or font that you used in your document, then I have access to it. So when you click to package, you will have a series of different windows. Right here, you're going to just click package. And the printing instructions, you don't have to worry about filling all of this out, but at the top we want to make sure that file name is still consistent with what you named your file. In this case it is Moore, last name first, underscore tutorial practice 1. So I'm going to click continue. This window is asking where do you want to put the folder once we have packaged it. So it will add the word folder to your file name, which is okay. And we want to make sure these two boxes here are checked. We have your INDD extended file, which is the file you're working in the 2017 version of Adobe InDesign. And then we have our box to include our IDML version, which is compatible to older versions. So say I opened your document on a computer that had CS4, for instance. I would need to use this file to be compatible with older versions of InDesign. And I'm also including this checked box to include a print PDF. So this PDF, if I were printing this document, I would print from the PDF itself. So I'm going to click package. I'm putting it to my desktop. And this warning will come up every time. This basically is letting you know if you did download fonts or use fonts that were not in the system, to make sure that you are following the proper license agreement and are not infringing on trademark or copyright. So now it's packaged. I'm going to minimize this screen. And if we look on our desktop here, here is our packaged folder. So if I open that up, it's showing my document fonts, which is the Georgia here that I used in the document. It's showing my links, which is the image that we placed. And it has all three versions of my document, so I can adapt it if I need to. All right. So what we're going to do to submit this is we're going to select the folder. I'm going to right click, or you can control click. And we're going to go to compress, and what it's going to do is it's going to create a zip file, which on a Mac, that is the compressed version of your file. And when we go into Box, I will have a tutorial practice window or folder, I'm sorry. And inside that folder or assignment folder, you'll have a section for or you'll have a folder for your section. So all you have to do, you can either go to upload file and pick up your zip file from your desktop. Here it is here. Or you can choose that and do it that way. Or you can click and drag it into Box. So I can also say you are in section 2, I can click and drag that to section 2 and drop it. So if I go into section 2, you can see my zip packaged folder here with the proper file name, last name, underscore, and the project title, which in this case is Tutorial Practice 1. So I want you to learn how to learn how to package and practice packaging your files in InDesign, because that is the requirement for all of your InDesign documents that you produce in this class. You will have to package them and compress them in order to submit them in Box for the assignment. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm available if there are any confused or any confusion on the tasks or the windows that pop up when you are packaging, or any confusion at all on this process. So good luck, and thank you for listening.